Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing and an install with all the details of this 4K, 60 frames per second TV LED sync light box. Let's get into it. Full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do one of your super cool reviews and installs on our here light box? Who am I to say no? Keep it real. I'm here to keep it real. Will that impact my review? So let's just flip the camera. Let's flip the camera and see what all you get. All right, so first you get this, whatever it is. I'm gonna look at the instructions, but looks like power color, maybe Wi-Fi. We have a power supply. We have a HDMI cord, and the LEDs, I would bet, yep, are sticky on the back with this removable double-sided tape. Now this can all be connected. I got it plugged in. Connected a couple different ways. You can connect it via a app, aka a smartphone, or you can connect it by voice command, which would be done via connecting the HDMI sync box, this, to a sound bar. So if you have a sound bar and you want to connect it to this because that's how you want it to be all synced, you have the option of doing that. In our situation, we are not going to go that route. So after you connect the app, it's going to look something like this. And the instructions say you want to hook this up to the TV first, but I don't like to read instructions. I like just to get to it. And so here you can set the color of the background of the TV to whatever millions of color options you have here. You can set the brightness here. There's some presets here that you can go that route if you like. You can turn off, you can turn on. Again, this is all from the app. Then there's some additional things here from scenes. So there's some default scenes. So flame, marble, different lighting things that kind of, if you wanted to, have some cool looking things going on just that are kind of preset random things, you have that option as well. So after you have gone all the way around your TV, there are going to be these spots that look like this. This is where you cut. You're going to want to cut right down the middle of these where that line is, and that is going to allow you to trim your LED strip exactly to the length that you need. Now, for copyright purposes, I can't put any kind of music in this video, but as you can see from me talking, this is hooked up to sound, so it has a built-in I guess microphone, and so whenever there is audio, it's going to react to the audio. So you can see here in this gameplay, I have the actual game itself blurred out, but you can notice the screen up here in the top is changing colors, and the edge of the TV is matching that edge based on whatever the color is. So you're sort of getting an extension of the actual game. Or if this was like a movie or whatever it is, you can see how the colors around the outside are matching what's on the screen. Pretty cool stuff. Very, I've never seen this. I've seen videos of these, but I've never seen this in person. This is very cool. Here is another example of switching this back to on the app here. So we're going to connect. And I'll show you how the app works with it in the shot here. You can go to your color mode and you can change the color. So as you can see there, I can change whatever color. I can change the brightness. So if you don't want it too bright, you can change all that. And you can change and go to the default colors like here. Very cool stuff. Also, which I already have grown to love very quickly, is you come in here to this setting and you have all these pre-defaults as I was sharing in the beginning. This one happens to be called Flame. So it just automatically does its thing based on this. You have lighting. You have rainbow. This is called Meteor. Guess it's a little more subtle. Sky. Swing. Wave. Very cool stuff. So if you just want some ambiance in your room or wherever you have this going on, you could just set it and forget it and kind of have that going on. Now, this particular light strip is 16 feet long. The instructions say to take out your handy dandy tape measure and measure the outside edge of your TV. So here, obviously times 2, and then come over here and measure that. And then knowing that information all the way around, add all those 4 dimensions together, will kind of let you know how long of LED strip you need. And then as I showed you, you can trim it down to fit just perfect and you're good to go. Hopefully this answers any questions you have about this. Very cool. I'll have to give it. Very cool LED light strip, which can be customized to the actual TV.